Brush your teeth daily with a soft toothbrush. Clean dentures after every meal. Don't forget to wash your hands before and after eating. Trim your nails regularly. Bathe daily to keep your body clean. Dry your body thoroughly after bathing, especially between the joints. Washing your hair at least twice a week is beneficial. Applying oil to your hair helps reduce dryness. Washing your face twice a day keeps it fresh. Using moisturizer keeps your skin soft. Apply petroleum jelly, Vaseline, on your lips in winter to prevent cracking. Applying cream on your heels reduces dryness. Wear clean clothes daily. Change your underwear and socks every day. After washing clothes, dry them in the sun to kill bacteria. Change bed sheets and pillow covers at least once a week. Wash towels every 3 days. Dust your bed daily to prevent dust accumulation. Open room windows daily for some time to allow fresh air. Keep a water container in the room to maintain humidity. Drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Eat a balanced diet that includes fruits, vegetables, and lentils. Wearing the same shirt, undergarments, or socks for multiple days allows sweat and bacteria to build up, causing odor. Many elderly people skip showers due to tiredness or illness. Not cleaning teeth or dentures properly causes bad breath. Sweat between the back, underarms, or thighs can lead to fungus and odor. Remember, hygiene is not just for the young, it's for everyone at every age. These small habits can make a big difference in an elder's comfort and confidence. As we age, our skin naturally becomes thinner and drier. That's why hydration is your skin's best friend. Harsh soaps strip natural oils from your skin. Even in your 70s, the sun can cause skin damage, dryness, and dark spots. Eat fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants, like berries, spinach, carrots. These areas often show signs of aging first. Good circulation and rest help your skin heal and glow. Older skin is more vulnerable to bruises, cuts, and infections. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Old is Gold for more health tips and timeless wisdom.